Hey guys, so today we're diving into something that sounds too good to be true. And spoiler alert, it is. If you've been hearing all this buzz about Neobux and wondering if you can quit your day job and start rolling in the cash by just clicking ads, well, sit tight. We've got some tea to spill, so you've probably seen all those people out there promising you that you can make huge stacks of cash just by clicking ads on Neobux. Well, after spending over a year testing Neobux ourselves, we can tell you one thing. If you're expecting a money fountain, you're about to get a leaky faucet. Yeah, that's about the level of earnings we're talking about here. But hey, you might be thinking, oh, but they say you can make more money by referring people. Yeah, sure. If you want to be stuck in the never-ending cycle of promoting your referral link, only to find out the only people clicking on it are other people trying to make money from you. So let us break it down for you. Neobux tells you, hey, the more people you refer, the more you earn. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the catch. Most people who join Neobux, well, they don't stick around for long. You see, after a few days or weeks, they realize that clicking ads doesn't exactly pay the rent. So your precious referrals, they just stop working. And guess what happens to your earnings? Yeah, they just poof, vanish too. We mean, you might have a ton of referrals, but they're mostly just ghosts, active for about a minute and then poof, gone. And no, it doesn't matter how hard you push that referral link, people just don't stick around. And get this, more often than not, you'll end up paying more in advertising to promote your referral link than you actually make from the site. You'll probably spend more trying to get referrals than what you actually earn clicking ads. So unless you're a marketing genius with a very deep wallet, you're not going to make much. Trust us, we've been there. After a year of testing Neobux, let us just say, we don't recommend it. The hype isn't real. And frankly, there's so many other ways to make money online that don't require you to babysit a referral link like a full-time job. So yeah, Neobux, big pass from us. It's like buying a ticket to a concert where the band never shows up and you end up just watching the opening act for hours, who also doesn't know how to play the guitar. But hey, if you've got some free time, want to waste a few hours of your life and get very little to show for it, Neobux is waiting for you. But seriously, don't waste your time. Go find something better. You deserve it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, NOI News Online Income, for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.